This Coldwell Banker Segerstrom property video is presented by Veronica Hempel less than bedroom greater than BRE number 01013957, LIC number 01233025. Distictive, warmth, value. All wrapped up in quailty. Safe and sound as can be. Well thought out floor plan, open and airy. The living room features a pellet heat stove insert. A huge sliding glass door overlooking the backyard and pasture area. A dropback wall for a TV or a bookshelf, or it can be a computer nook. The large kitchen has plentiful cabinets, including a pantry with a large cooking and eating bar. Nice newer refrigerator. Tile countertop with a built-in electric cooktop. Hardwood floors in the kitchen, living room and hallway. Inside utility area. The large master bedroom has the most wonderful walk-in closet. This home is as comfortable inside as it is outside. The setting is picturesque with views front and back. The back pasture area is fenced with a nice metal-sided structure for cars, recreational vehicles, or hay. The property even has a few fruit trees. Close to Don Pedro Lake and McClure Lake. Easy commute to the valley. The home was built with security in mind and features custom-made exterior iron work surrounding the doors and windows. The windows have the custom-made fire-safe easy pop-out version. A very smart and unique feature indeed. The Homeowners Association riding trail meanders through the designated trail behind the back property line. The HOA also provides a recreation hall, pool and more. For more information, review the details below or contact Veronica Hempel less than bedroom greater than BRE number 01013957, LIC number 01233025 at 209-532-7400.